I'm excited to talk about the Yamaha FGX series Cutaway Edition. I love this guitar and I'll tell you more about it. First of all, it is an acoustic electric, so it does have a pickup and a 3-band EQ right on the body. Playing the guitar is a very personal thing, but I'll let you know what I think of this guitar right here. It is a very comfortable guitar to use. I've had it for over 8 years now, and it still looks absolutely incredible. Play it all the time. I'm using bronze strings. The neck is very comfortable to use for beginners. It is primo because beginners tend to have harder times doing especially those shapes. The bridge is just low enough to be comfortable so you don't have to press so hard, and that's what beginners tend to have the most trouble with. The batteries required to make the pickup work are 2 AA batteries. Made of spruce. Let's see how it plays. I can't even stress how incredible this sounds based on the fact that I haven't changed these strings in over 8 months. Very minimal fuzz, really simple to use, not as hard as you would imagine on your fingers. It is an incredible guitar for beginners, but also for advanced players who just want to enjoy themselves, plug in, record a little bit, have a little bit more of an amplified sound, or just around a campfire and enjoy it with friends and family.